Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share the very beautiful crochet bikini embroidery crop top designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to your pupil in the. If you like today's videos and share it with to your friends and family members, you can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys. So I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, be sure to let in the comment box how it will like and subscribe. You want to videos related to crochet, visit my channel Crochet Lovers. Now how to did the work yourself, and if you guys you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else. You can make similar designs. For this type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Is amazing. Every videos has a lovely designs for you viewers. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of crochet related designs. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. Please let me in no comment box what you guys like to see. Video is very helpful and useful for guys. You can't many videos from my videos, amazing videos. So friends, I keep your supported. Thanks my dear, take care, bye.